Hi guys, this is Karthik and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can implement an array list in Java. We are going to create our own user-defined array list. So first of all, we are going to create a class named array list. So what we know about array list, it is a collection which is used for storing a group of heterogeneous elements. So for that purpose, we are creating an object reference, actually an object array to store all the elements. So this is going to be the one which is storing all the elements that are we going to add in the array list. So now we need a size and the current capacity. So these are going to be our two major variables. Now we will declare an constructor for it. So array list. We will initialize the capacity. So the capacity is initially going to be 10 by default. Number of elements is going to be 0, and we are also going to allocate memory to the array. So ARR assign new ARR object of size 10. Okay, so now we have created a constructor. So now we are going to declare and define the add and get function for the array list. First of all, I will change it over with capacity. It's all right to write 10 over there, but I would like to write capacity over there. So in this method, what I'm gonna do is add method. Okay, so void add and the item. So item is also going to be of object reference. So object of item. I'm just going to add it to array and just increment the as size of the array. So in this way the item is going to be added. Next is the get. So for that we are going to create an object reference get method and the index from which the object is to be fetched. So index and return ARR of index. So our add get and array list constructor created. Now we will create the size function. So it will return int size of the array, and the size is in S, so return S. So now our array list class is almost ready for a small test. Now we will just try to add some variable in it and see how it performs. Okay, so this is our main class. I am just going to create an array list object. Let it name L, array list. Now what I want to do is to add some things in it, different types of objects, like an int object 1, 2, 3. Now I have added 3 integer objects in it. Now I'm trying to print all these values, so I will use a for loop for that. L dot size, that's the method that we have created. Next thing, what we dot out dot println L dot get of I. Okay, I'm gonna run this program. Okay, so here I get the output. So, okay, so guys, this is the output that we got 1, 2, and 3. But in array list, we can also add heterogeneous data types. Like in this case, we only added the integer values. Now we will try to add some different values. Like I will try to add like a string value or string, let it be string. I'll dot add a float value 2.2 and a character, and just also try to add a null value. Let's see what comes out. Save this program and run it, and it's also working for all. So it's actually working like an actual array list. But there are also some kind of functionalities like array list. We can also pass a default size in array list. And once the size of the ArrayList, when the ArrayList is completely filled, it all automatically changes its size. So for all implementing all those functionalities and the different functions that ArrayList has, we are going to do it in our next video. So if you like the video, please rate, comment and subscribe. And for the further videos, go in the description section. I will also upload. I'm going to upload all those videos over there. Thank you.